This is an easy homemade mango jam recipe. Turns out perfect every time. I make this mango jam in a small quantity. You can serve it with bread or chapati. This mango jam recipe is chemical free and there is no color or preservatives added. Ripe and firm mangoes are best to make this recipe. I have taken 4 mangoes. After removing the skin, it weighs 500 grams. Add the diced mango into a blender. Do not add water and blend it to make a fine paste. In a pan, add the mango puree. Now add 300 grams of sugar. If you add less sugar, the shelf life of the jam will decrease. And add 3 inches of cinnamon stick. This will enhance the flavor of the jam. You can increase the sweetness by adding more sugar. It depends upon you. Mix well. While it starts bubbling, be careful, it will splutter. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lime juice will help to thicken the jam since the citrus is high in pectin. Keep the flame always in medium to low while making the jam. Let's check the consistency of the jam. You can see jam is running down. This is not the right consistency. We will further cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now again check the consistency. You can see it's not running down, it holds like a jelly. This is the right consistency for the jam. Immediately switch off the flame. Do not overcook the jam. Let the jam cool down. When jam is hot, the texture is flowy. When it cools down, the texture of jam will change. And remove the cinnamon stick from the jam. Use a glass jar to store the jam. Sterilize the jar before using it. Always use dry spoon to take out the jam from a jar. Easy and scrumptious jam is ready. If you like the recipe I've shared, please do like, share and subscribe. For me, it took 25 minutes to prepare the jam. If you love jams, you can also try mixed fruit jam. It's super delicious, must try recipe. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.